Hello everyone, welcome to the project demo of MERN Marketplace application 2023. So as you can see over here, this is the entry point of our application login page. So if you observe the form title, we'll be having SMP login, which stands for Shea Marketplace login. So in the entire project, I'll be calling this name as Shea Marketplace only. Okay. And coming to the fields, we'll be having the email and password. And if you don't have the account in this application, you just need to click on the register link. You can see I have navigated to the registration page. So the same UI, only fields will change: name, email and password. So now for the demo purpose, I'm going to create a new user with the name David, email david123@gmail.com, password 123456778, and I'm clicking on the register button. So on successful registration, it has navigated me to the login page, user created successfully. Now I am going to log in with the newly registered user, which is nothing but the David 123456778. Login. Here you can see on successful login, we have navigated to the home page, and this is the interface of the logged in user. So at the top, if you observe, we are having the header with our primary color. At the left side, we are going to have the project title Shea Marketplace. At the right side, we are going to have the logged in username David. Notifications, so right now I don't have any notifications because I'm a new user, and this is the logout button. And coming to the home page content, we are going to have the filters at the left side and the products and search bar at the right side. So we can filter the products using the categories as well as their ages. Ages are nothing but how many years old the product was. So let's say if I want to see the products which was only 2 years old, 0, 1 or 2 years old, so which is nothing but 0 to 2 years old. Let me click on this. So I got the products which are 2 years old, up to 2 years. So here you can see 2 years old, 1.5, 2 years, 1 year, and this is also 2 years. Or else if I want to see 3 to 5 years old, so I got this product. And if I want to filter this using the categories, I can choose this first section. If I want to see only electronics, I can click on this. You can see the data got filtered. If I want to see only sports products are visible. And all these filters are working from the server side only. So we have not even implemented one filter on the client side. So every filter will be working based on the Mongo Db queries. Okay. Now coming to the user roles, right now we have logged in with a new user, which is nothing but the David. So David will be considered as the buyer until unless he will go and add any new product to the marketplace. So if the David want to become the seller, he just need to click on this name. He'll be navigated to the profile. So this is the profile page. So in the profile page, we'll be having the products, my bids, general. So general is nothing but the David information. My bids and products we have to consider. So in the products, we are going to display all the products uploaded by the David to this marketplace, whatever it may be, whether the status is approved or rejected, we are going to display all products here. Coming to the bids, we are going to show all the bids which was placed by the David to different seller products. Okay. Now let's add a new product from the David account. So the scenario is David want to sell his own product in this portal. So I am going to give the product name as Lenovo laptop. Description is 16 GB laptop. Okay. And price I am going to keep it as $350. Category I'll keep electronics. Age I am going to keep it 4 years old. And we have these options. We need to discuss about this. So if you observe the labels, bill available, warranty available, accessories available, and box available. All these are the Boolean things. That means yes or no, or true or false, whatever you can. So suppose if you have the bill for this product, you have to check this. If you have the warranty, check this. If you have accessories, check this, like box. So if you don't have, just opt out. Okay. So for this product, I'm keeping bill available, box available, but I don't have the warranty as well as the accessories. Then coming to the one more option, show bids on the product page. That means if someone is interested in your product, they can place a bid with some price. Okay, so your price is 350. That means you are offering this product to the marketplace at 350 price. So if someone want to buy this product at some different price like 300, 280, 250, so they can place a bid and you can see that bid obviously. So if you want other users also see that bid, that means in the product information page we can show that bids all for the product. So if you want that option to be enabled, you can choose this. So I want other users also see all the product bids. Okay, let me choose this. Now I want to save this product. Done. So product added successfully. So you can see right now the product image is empty because we have not added any image. Name Lenovo laptop, price 350, category electronics, age 4 years, status pending. It is not yet approved. If I go to the home page, I cannot see that product because the status is still pending. So admin has to approve. After reviewing only the product will be live, which is nothing but it will be displayed in the home page. So let me go to the products again. Yeah, so the status is pending. Only when the status becomes approved, it will be live in the marketplace. Added on, date, actions, delete, edit, show bids. So if you want to see all the bids which are placed for this product, you just need to click on this. So right now this product is not even live, so we cannot see any bids. Okay, so before going to the admin panel, let me upload some images. Okay, so I'll go to the Google. First I'll download some images. Lenovo laptop. Okay, so I'll choose some of the images. These are not looking good. Lenovo laptop refurbished. Yeah, I'll choose this. Save image as. This is WEP file, so we cannot download. Let me choose this. Save image as. This is also WEP. So first I will download and I'll resume the video. Yeah, so welcome back guys again. Now I have downloaded 3 images. You can see in my Chrome. So these are the 3 Lenovo laptop images. Now I'll go to the edit product, images, upload image. So I'll choose the downloads. So these are the 3 images. So I can upload multiple images. This is the beauty of the application. Okay, first I go on to upload this image. Upload. Done. So the first image got uploaded. You can see here also it got published. And let me upload one more. Second image is also uploaded. Let me upload the third. Done. So we have uploaded 3 images for this product. I can also delete if I want, and I can also upload new images. So let me close this out. Now the product is ready. The only thing pending is admin has to approval. So if I go to the home page, I cannot see the product yet because the admin has not even seen this product. Now the actual thing starts. So in the incognito, I am going to open the admin account. Okay. So if you remember the scenario, what we have performed, we have created a new product. That means we have sent a request to the admin for the approval. So admin has to get the notification now. Okay. So let me go to the incognito. Oh, let me close this. Where is incognito? Yeah, this is the incognito. I'll go to the local host. Done. Now I am going to log in with one of the admin credentials. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login. Yeah, so here you can see admin notification count is 1. So admin got some notification, something has happened in this application. So if I click on this, I can see new product added. A new product has been added by the David 4 minutes ago. So I can understand someone has placed the product. I have to review and I have to approve or reject. So let me close this out and I'll go to the admin. So this is the admin. So for the logged in user, if you click on profile name, it will navigate to the profile route. You can see it is navigated to the profile, but for the admin, it will navigate to the admin route only, like this. So you can see I think there is one old product also with the same name, which is from the Steve side. I'm going to reject this. Yeah, so I want to approve this David one. So these are the products. Admin will be having all these credentials. This is the product name is Lenovo laptop, seller is David, price 350, category electronics, age 4 years, status pending, added on, all these things. So admin will be having the actions approve or reject. So once I click on the approve, it will be gone live. That means it will be live in the marketplace, and also the seller will receive the notification like your product is updated or your product status is updated. So I'm going to approve this. Product status updated successfully. This product is live now. The status is approved. Now I'm going to refresh the what I can say David page. So David has to get the notification showing your product is live. You can see David got the notification. Now I'll click on this. So your product status is approved. Your product Lenovo laptop has been approved. Okay, let me close this out. Here you can see the status is approved. If I go to the home page, I should see my product. Awesome. Here you can see we got our product Lenovo laptop, 4 years old, 350. So everything is working as expected. Now let's go to the product description page or product information page. Yeah, so this is the product information page. So if you remember, we have added 3 images. So this is the first image, this is the second image, and this is the third image. So we can switch between the images also. So this is one of the best feature in the application. Okay, and coming to the information, we have the basic information, Lenovo laptop, description, product details, all the product details. Because in the home page we cannot show everything because we have to display a lot of products. But in the product information we can show all the details about the product. Price, category, bill available, yes. Box available, yes. Accessories, warranty, we kept no. So here also no. Purchased year 2019. So actually we have not given 2019 anywhere, but we have given 4 years ago. So based on this I am going to calculate the year so I can display the year. So currently we have 2019 minus 4 2023 minus 4 2019. So they can understand. And coming to the seller details, name David, of course David, email david123@gmail.com. Okay, right now everything is cool. Now we are left with the bids process. So you can see right now for this product there are no bids because just now this got live. So here if you see, new bid button got disabled because this product is uploaded by the logged in user only. So I cannot place bid to my own product. So what I will do means I'll go to the Microsoft Edge, localhost 3000, and I will log in with some other user. So I can choose the user like Satya. So this is also one of the past user, myself, 1234567 login. Yes, so this is Satya's account. So in the Microsoft Edge we have Satya account. In the normal Google Chrome you have the David account. So the scenario we are performing is Satya want to purchase this product at $250 price. So he want to place a bid for the 250. Okay, so I'll go to this product. You can see this button is enabled for me, but this button is disabled for the David. So I can place multiple bids. So first I will place 300. Okay, 300. So I can also send a message in the bid form only. I'm interested. I will come and take delivery. Okay, first I will just write the message as I'm interested, and then in the mobile I'm going to write my number. This is not my number by default. Okay, bid added successfully. So you can see the page got updated, bids. So name is equal to Satya, bid amount is equal to $300, and bid placed on March 10th. And now if I refresh the seller page, so that means seller account, again I have to get the notification. Okay, if I refresh, you can see I got the notification. So a new bid has been placed. New bid has been placed for your product Lenovo laptop by Satya for $300. So everything we will get crystal clear manner. Okay, so you need not to go and check the product bids every time. You can get it in the notifications itself. So if you are interested, you can go to the bid details and you can contact the person. for the selling, and I can also click on this, or else I can close this. So let me go to the profile again, products. So right now we got a new bid for this product, right? So I can click on this, show bids. So I can see all the bids which are coming for this product. If I see, you can see product name Lenovo laptop, bid placed on date and time, name, who placed this bid, Satya, bid amount 300, message, I am interested, contact details. Okay, so if I am okay with this amount, I can contact these details directly. If the deal is done, I can delete the product. This is the process. So let me close this out. And now if Satya want to see what all the bids he has placed, okay, that option also we have given. If I go to the products, my bids, so I have placed a bid for Lenovo laptop just now itself, 10/3/352 PM. You can see right now it's 354. So seller is equal to David, we know already. Offered price, so the price offered was 350 and we have asked it for 300. Message, I am interested, contact details we have given. Also in the past I have placed one more bid for iPhone 12, so the seller was Messi. So like this way we can place the bids. I can also place one more bid. Let's say I have placed this bid 2 days ago, nothing response was came from the seller, so I can place bid for some other amount. So I can understand that he is not interested with this amount, so I can increase the amount. Okay, so this time I am going to make it 320. Consider at least now. Consider at least now. So I am going to keep the same mobile number 9639630. Okay, here you can see we got the updated bids list in the product description page, and then I'll go and refresh here. I got one more notification. Obviously this is expected. New bid has been placed for the amount 320. So he has increased $20. I'll go to the show bids. Again I got the data 320. Even if I go to Satya account to see the bids, let me go there, title, so my bids. Here you can see I have placed the bids for same product twice with 300 amount, 320 amount. Okay, like this way I can place the bids. And one more functionality we have to check. So if the seller don't want to display the product bids on the product description page, he can go to the edit and toggle this off. So that means he want to see the bids only by himself, not by the other users. Save, done. Now if I go to the product description page, I won't see any bids. You can see the bids is empty, other users cannot see. Even if I open Satya account also, you can see there are no bids. So like this way the seller can control, because we have given option for him only, either he can choose or he can ignore. So let me go and turn on that again. Edit, turn on. Yeah, so this is the functionality of buyer, seller, admin. And coming to the user access, so if I go to the admin, so I'll be having the users list here. You can see all these are the users. Suppose if user is making some invalid activity in the portal, we can block that user. So let me go to the Satya account only. So we already logged in with Satya account in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to block this user. User account is blocked. Now I'm going to log out and let me log in again. So this time I have to get some error message. Enter. You can see the user account is blocked. Please contact admin. I'm going to unblock it now. So like this way you can control the user access also. Unblock, login. So this time I got the access. So I hope you got all the functionalities like product upload, images, bids, notifications, admin access, product description, bid placing, options, all the stuff. So if you are interested, so see you all in the next lecture. So coming to the prerequisites, I said in the promo also, again I am repeating. So MERN stack basics are the prerequisites. So thank you. See you all in the course.